Well, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a tool review. This is really intended to go on my website so people will have some information, can see it when they want to order my system. So I want to talk about all the features and benefits. This series of tool reviews has been all about tools, but having the right tools is important to do it the easy way and to have fun with it. But and fingertip control, no catches, all of the things that my tools do. But the process is just as important. Little pieces of the puzzle here of how I'm going to hang onto the wood to prevent vibrations, to prevent catches. My Bowl Basics DVD is the foundation elements. It's got 62 menu breaks of different topics that I cover, and it starts way out in the yard with a chainsaw and a tree, and all the way through to finishing, and all the tool control, all of the sharpening and grain orientation issues and vibration issues and everything is in the Bowl DVD. I use the Bowl format to teach the tool control because the things that we learn in a bowl are transferable to all other kinds of turning, spindles and lidded boxes, pins, whatever. And this is needed on the tool control for the outside of hollow forms. So this is 4 hours, 20 minutes, 2-disc set of all of the foundation elements about turning. Great resource that you'd use over and over again as you grow in your skill level. You go back to this and pick up new things and add it to your techniques. So great thing to have in your library.